DJI, a leading manufacturer of drones, is about to unveil its newest drone, the Air 3S. This highly anticipated drone is slated for release sometime between late October and November. The Air 3S is expected to come in two combo packages, the Standard Combo and the Fly More Combo. The Standard Combo, which includes the RCN3 controller, is estimated to retail for approximately $950. For those seeking a more comprehensive package, the Fly More Combo, also featuring the RCN3 controller, is likely to be priced around $100 to $100. Additionally, DJI will offer a Fly More Combo with the RC2 controller, priced at approximately $114. The highly anticipated Air 3S drone has been officially registered with the Federal Communications Commission, FCC databases. This registration confirms its upcoming release and provides some insight into its key features. The Air 3S is equipped with a powerful 1-inch sensor, ensuring exceptional image quality. While it remains uncertain whether the drone will retain the same T-lens found in previous models, it is confirmed to feature the same 3x zoom capability. Additionally, the Air 3S will boast an O4 Plus transmission for improved connectivity and range. Users can expect extended flight times compared to its predecessors. To enhance its functionality, the drone will introduce new smart flight modes, such as enhanced active tracking and an upgraded APAS system. These advancements aim to provide a more seamless and intuitive flying experience. The DJI Air 3S is a cutting-edge drone, equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor for capturing high-quality images and videos. Its 24-65mm zoom lens offers versatility in framing shots, while the 3-axis gimbal ensures stability during flight. The Air 3S boasts an impressive flight time of up to 45 minutes, allowing for extended aerial exploration. OcuSync 3.0 transmission technology enables a reliable connection and a range of up to 12 kilometers. Advanced obstacle avoidance features help to prevent collisions and ensure safe flight. The drone's smart flight modes, including active tracking and APAS, enhance its capabilities and make it easier to capture stunning aerial footage. The Air 3S is available in several combo packages, with the Standard Combo featuring the RCN3 controller priced at $950. For those seeking a more comprehensive package, the Fly More Combo with RCN3 is available for $1,200. Additionally, a Fly More Combo with the RC2 controller is offered at $1,400. The DJI Air 3S is a versatile drone that caters to both novice and seasoned pilots. Its user-friendly features and advanced capabilities make it an excellent choice for those starting their drone journey or for experienced enthusiasts seeking a high-performance machine. Whether you're capturing breathtaking aerial footage, exploring new landscapes, or simply enjoying the thrill of flight, the Air 3S offers a rewarding and immersive experience. The DJI Air 3S is a powerful drone that offers a wide range of features, making it a popular choice among drone enthusiasts. Its 1-inch CMOS sensor and 24-65mm zoom lens deliver exceptional video and photo quality, while its impressive flight time of up to 45 minutes allows for extended aerial exploration. The advanced obstacle avoidance system ensures safe flight by detecting and avoiding potential obstacles. The Air 3S also incorporates smart flight modes, simplifying operation and facilitating stunning footage capture. A versatile tool for both aerial photography and racing, the Air 3S is poised to become a standout addition to the DJI lineup. I am eager to review the drone and explore its full capabilities firsthand. Beyond the technical specifications, the Air 3S will be available in black and white color options, accompanied by the new DJI RC3 controller. This advanced controller boasts a longer battery life and a higher refresh rate compared to its predecessor, enhancing the overall flying experience. As the Air 3S nears its release, I anticipate it making a significant impact on the drone market. Its impressive features and capabilities position it as a compelling choice for both hobbyists and professionals alike. While the information provided is based on current rumors and leaks, it's important to note that DJI has not officially confirmed all the details. As more information becomes available, I will update this article to reflect the latest developments. I hope you found this article informative. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to share them below. To stay updated on the latest drone news and reviews, I encourage you to give this article a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your continued support.